I don't know about that one. Not sure. Okay, well, has X watched Shark Tank or not? Okay. I'm gonna play the same Sicilian. I mean, he played some pawn sack line. I played him a while back. H3. Okay, interesting. What is the point of H3? I don't know what the point is, so I'm just gonna go here. I don't know what H3 actually does. Maybe he meant to go G3. I mean, I'm actually a little confused right now. Go here. Like, he's wasting all this time with all these early moves. Okay, so, yeah, so he's not going to play it. He's going to probably go G3. I think he actually went to go G3 and he played H3, if I had to guess. Let's go here. Here. I could be wrong on that, by the way. But I think my instinct is that he meant to go... When he played H3, he meant to play G3. He goes there. I'll just go back. I'll castle. Could play H6 G5, maybe. I think I will do this, because I have G5 and D4. I probably should just castle, though. Yeah, because he's got H4, and now I can't even castle. That was a big mistake. What am I doing? I mean, I can go F... Yeah, I'm going to go F6 and King F7, but I've messed this up completely. I'm just going to manually castle my king, and it's not great, but we'll try to make it work. I go here. I mean, G5 is actually still kind of a threat here. So it's not so easy for him to prove an advantage. Maybe I go like B6, Rook A7, swing the Rook over. Maybe something like that. We'll see. I mean, I also could play H5 in castles, but, I mean, whatever. Okay, he goes D4, expected. Let's play C4. Probably he'll play B3, so I'll play N peasant, or not N peasant, I'll just trade the pawns. B4, I'd play N peasant, but B3, I'd just trade. I expected that. Okay, logical. Maybe I just go like Bishop F5. Actually, how bad is this for me? This looks kind of acceptable, weirdly enough. Like Rook C8, maybe? My position is strangely acceptable here. Like, more, maybe I'm completely fine, in fact. Go Queen D7 and Bishop H3, and I think I'm actually just fine. Very weird. And there's no Knight B5. These pawns aren't great. I'm actually doing, I think, pretty well here. How bizarre, as the saying goes. How bizarre. Goes there. And now I just go here on Bishop H3, and I think I'm completely fine. I also have G5 somewhere. I also have Bishop H3. I think I'll go G5 now, because now I'm not afraid of the sacrifice. B4 logical, trying to play for B5. Could play B5 here. I mean, Knight G6 is obviously a move. Bishop E4 is a move. Bishop H3 is a move. Trying to make sure there's no sacrifice, though. He wants to go B5, so how do I stop this idea? I think I'm just going to go B6. It's a quiet move, doesn't do anything special, but it's quiet, simple. Okay, I expected that. Can't take... I could play A5 maybe. Actually, I think A5 makes a lot of sense, because B5 I have Knight B4. Takes, I'm getting Knight C4. Actually, I think maybe I'm okay. And now, he goes there. Assume I should trade, of course. No reason not to. Let's go here, I guess. These pawns are a little bit weak in the endgame on the queen side, so maybe I'm okay. Maybe I'm okay. Of course, I take with the H-pawn. Knight E1, logical. Now, somehow I need to get the piece on better squares. Maybe I go, like... I'm going to go here and try to eventually use this diagonal if I can. So let's go... Okay, so he's trying to go Knight D3. Again, very reasonable, very obvious idea. If I trade and go King C8... I don't know if this is actually winning, but I think it makes sense. Or maybe I take with the... No, I take with the Knight because I need to stop someone from getting to D3. Like, this is probably a draw with perfect play, but... Actually, I kind of wonder if I should have... Maybe I should not have traded the queen. It's not like some Bishop E4, but... Okay, whatever. It goes on. Show goes on. He goes Queen E2, which I don't really think is a great move. Let's just go here. See what he does. Goes Bishop F1. Now I've... Oh, Knight F5, F3. I also have Queen C6. I think I'm just going to go Knight F5. Because F3 takes should be fine. Knight D3. So, I feel like I'm starting to outplay him, but it's still not easy to prove. Let's take. Ah, Knight C2's got Queen C1. That would have been really bad. Ay. That was close to a huge blunder. Knight c2, queen c2. Do I have 91? No, I have 3 king h1. No, that's no good. Maybe I go knight a2, maybe to go knight c... I mean... I think I'm gonna go for this. Don't know if it works, but it has some logic, it feels like, to hit the pawns and bring the knight back. And I used up all my time bank here. Like, I no longer have a time advantage, and now I have to actually be very, very sharp. Very on the ball here. Knight f3, is there a threat? I don't see the threat, but... Queen f5. He's got knight d2. If I go knight c3... I don't know. I don't see the... Who's there? Okay, I'm getting low on time. I've got to be careful. Let's just go here. Let's go... Here, I guess? That's a mistake. Blunder 95, of course. Here, maybe e3. This is very tricky. I'm trying to... The reason I'm not talking is I'm trying to think what my next move is if he plays the move I expect. And I think... Go here. That's why I'm not talking, because I'm basically trying to figure out what my move is. Wait, e2? It's not... Queen b1, bishop f5. This is just winning, I think. Yeah, this is just winning. He's too slow. Here and queen e4. Should be winning. He's got queen c1. Too slow though. Okay, take and now I just win. Okay. I think, yeah, I just check and take and I just drop back. Yeah. Okay. After takes b6, I go bishop c8, blockade, and these pawns win the game.